In 1998, the people of a small town in South Korea had a problem. Nobody wanted to visit them. Their solution? Mud. Seriously? Mud? Hi, I'm John, and welcome to 9 to 12. Most festivals come from tradition, history, or culture. The Boryeong Mud Festival came from a marketing meeting. Today, I'm gonna find out how a small South Korean city turned a jar of mud cream into one of the world's biggest festivals, attracting over 2 million visitors a year. Boryeong, a small city on the west coast of South Korea. Population, about 100,000. Relatively unknown. That was until 1998. This is what changed everything. Boryeong mud. Rich in minerals like germanium and bentonite, the locals had been using it in their skincare products for years, but nobody outside of Boryeong knew about it. So then someone had an idea. Instead of selling the mud to the people, bring the people to the mud. Did you know the first Boryeong Mud Festival back in 1998 had 220,000 visitors? By 2019, that number had grown to over 2 million visitors, a global phenomenon. And here's the genius part. They didn't just sell the people the mud, they let them play in it. Mud wrestling, mud slides, mud massage, mud prison. They turned their biggest natural resource into the world's messiest playground. Is that supposed to be me? Now here's the real lesson. Boryeong didn't invent anything new. They took something they already had and reframed it completely. Mud went from something you wipe off your shoes to something people fly across the world to roll around in. Did you know? Studies have shown that the minerals in Boryeong mud help cleanse skin, reduce inflammation, and retain moisture. So it's not just for fun. And you know what? It even smells good too. Now, what made Boryeong so extraordinary was a simple shift in thinking. Instead of asking, how do we sell this? They asked, how do we make this unforgettable? One city, one idea, 2 million visitors. So here's my question. If you could create a festival around anything, what would it be? See you next time on 9 to 12. Seriously, what is a mud prison? Prison made of mud.